Oh, there we go. Teddy's first one in.
Yeah,
Hey,
it's a little
pecker.
pecker.
Hey. First boat, first fish on the boat on the first trip out. Teddy makes his duck.
One-eyed pecker.
Cool.
Yes, Sammy.
You in?
Yes.
Go ahead, Teddy.
Fish on. Got one on, Terry.
Yes!
Mr. Bloody phone.
It's on, Gordon.
Cool.
I had a little knock, didn't I?
Got another one. It's not a big one again.
So that's what the problem was. My weight was too high up.
A little bassy?
Not a pan man, is it?
No. But at least you can show it to the camera. You've caught it.
But it's a little bass, first day out on my boat.
Well done, buddy.
Lovely. Get in there. Ah, you gotta watch these bastards, haven't you? Hey, what? We didn't have batter that up for the bite then.
Yeah, you don't have it.
The granddad's gone fishing. Does it again? I wonder if Si can hear him from up there. Saying to his missus, Richie's out, listen.
Same again, you don't need to fucking lob it miles.
Oh, I need a big fat one, so I need to take it home, so I'm down for it.
Got it. You got one?
He's had one, yeah?
I had one, yeah?
Keeper?
No,
No.
a little baity.
I think the keeper's brushed in right on the early tide.
I'm thinking of actually upping the anchor and going further in.
Yeah, don't go with that.
What do you
Well, the
reckon?
tide's coming in now, so
Yeah.
because it's 11:08 now, look.
Yeah, I reckon we go into back to about 4 or 5 foot.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Come on, Tommy, let's go, lad. Need some pan mans, don't we? That puffin iron, oh, no, that's the thing, yo, that one, isn't it? That's a Penmon Point, that one, isn't it?
Yeah. She was a fair ways out that fucking line. I've just pulled in there.
Understood.
Whatever it was, it's bit me. It's a babby.
But it's a bass.
It's still only a babby. Swallow Duke though.
Another bass on the boat.